Welcome to another episode of Air Traffic Out of Control, the podcast bringing you the best, most interesting, and most unbelievable air traffic control recordings, right from the tower to your ears. I'm your host, Amy Tango Charlie. In this episode, we go to SFO where Delta Flight 1195 is coming in for landing, when the pilot requests to go around due to landing gear issues. After running their checklists, the pilot declares an emergency due to the landing gear problems. These precautions pay off, and the aircraft lands safely in San Francisco before taxiing to the gate for inspection of the plane.
Tower Delta 1195.
1195, sir.
We need to call off the approach and work something out with the gear. Come back around.
Delta 1195, I'm sorry, second.
We need to call off the approach and go around and work something out with the gear issue.
So 1195, roger that. So for now, go around, fly runway heading, maintain 3000, and say your request.
3000, just give us a long, about a 10-mile, go around straight ahead, and then we'll come back around for another attempt.
For 894, turn northbound now. Turn northbound immediately. There's traffic about 2 miles out, so out of 1,500 westbound. Heavy 767 on the go around. I need to get them out of the way. So turn northbound now immediately.
Delta 894 is turning to north.
West 5909, cross runway 28 left, kind of ground point 8.
Good, next ground point 8,
9530, United 236, traffic ahead is going around, so go around, turn left heading 260, climb the 3100, and cross runway terminals for the 767 on the right-hand side going around.
Okay, 260, 3100, and we'll caution wake, United 236, going around.
Delta 1195 heavy traffic 11 o'clock and 3 miles ahead, left or right at 1,800 is a fast now.
All right, roger, Delta 1195, look at the traffic.
Fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
All right, runway head 3000, Delta 1195.
395 heavy, correction, Delta 1195 heavy, we've passed along the issue with NorCal. Contact NorCal on 135.1 and we'll see you soon.
135.1, Delta 1195.
United 236, confirm, turn left heading 260 up to 3,100.
Yep, we're heading 260 now up to 3,100, United 236.
236, thanks for that, sir, and we'll see you soon. Come to North Departure 135.1.
35-1, United 236.
Come approach Delta 1195, heavy is doing missed approach, 3,000 feet, runway heading.
Delta 1195, heavy north head departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 5,000.
All right, 5,000, Delta 1195.
And NorCal, United 236, 2,100 for 3,100.
Now 236, north head departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 5,000.
I maintain 5,000, United 236.
Delta 1195, understand you had a gear issue. Did you want to run a checklist or something, or are you ready to come back in?
Yeah, we're running a checklist right now, and then give us about 5 minutes.
United 236, turn left heading 120.
All right, heading 120, United 236.
Delta 1195, turn left heading 180. Delta 1195, heavy, turn left heading 180.
All right, left heading 180, Delta 1195.
Now 236, contact NorCal Post on 135.65.
All right, 135.65, United 236.
Delta 1195.
Delta 1195, heavy, go.
We'll go ahead and declare an emergency for this landing gear issue.
Delta 1195, heavy, roger. And what are your intentions?
Oh, we'll come back around. We run the checklist. Just want to come back around and try again for another landing.
Roger. Delta 1195, heavy, turn left heading 120.
120, Delta 1195.
Delta 1195, heavy, when you got a second, souls on board and remaining fuel.
All right, souls on board, we have a 221. Remaining fuel is 13.9. Sorry.
What's that in time-wise?
1 second.
I think I stepped on you. Delta 1195 heavy, what's the fuel remaining in time?
1 second. approach Delta 1195. We have 221 in an hour and 27.
All right, hour 27 and 221, and you just want to shoot. What kind of approach are you looking for?
We'll take the ILS. Yeah, ILS 28. ILS 28, and can we get a long leg, about a 10-mile final? Well, maybe about 15-mile final.
1195 Heavy, we'll go. So you want ILS? So you want the left or the right?
We'll take right side Delta 1195 Heavy.
Delta 1195 Heavy, expect ILS 28 right.
ILS 28 right, Delta 1195.
Delta 1195 Heavy, do you want to do a low approach to see if the tower can see if your gear's down and good?
Yeah, we'll just do the approach. We're good with the approach.
You want to do, let me just verify, you want to do a full ILS and try and land, or do you want to do a low approach in front of the tower and have them look at your wheels?
No, we'll do the full approach, Delta 1195 Heavy.
Delta 1195 Heavy, 8 miles from Asheville, maintain 2,600 till established, cleared ILS 28 right approach.
2,600 to establish and clear the ILS 28 right approach, Delta 1195 Heavy.
Tower Delta 1195, 28 right.
1195 sounds good. Heavy sounds good. Tower runway 28 right, clear to land, and winds are calm.
28 right, clear to land, Delta 1195 Heavy.
That's all for this episode of Air Traffic Out of Control. If you love the show, check out the show notes for a link to follow us on Twitter. Also, to make sure you don't miss an episode, be sure to follow or subscribe in your podcast player. Thanks for joining us on board today. Bye-bye.